my name is Charlie Swingler and I'm Head of Visual Arts at ArtsEd. I teach fine art and history of art both at the day school and in sixth form. Fine art is a very exciting A-level in which you will look at a broad range of artistic practice from drawing and painting, sculpture, printmaking, through to digital works and more contemporary art. We look at a range of artists, both contemporary and from the canon of art history, to underpin and broaden your knowledge of the art world. The A-level is broken into coursework element, which is worth 60% of the overall grade, and then examined unit, which is worth 40%. That exam unit begins in the year 13 part of the course, which starts in the January term, where you'll be given an exam paper which will build up to a 15-hour class exam. Initially during the course we quite often complete a range of workshops which will broaden your artistic skill base and enable you to become more confident in a range of artistic practices. These have included in the past printmaking workshops, painting workshops. We've introduced oils this year to our year 12s who've really enjoyed that and taken that into year 13. We go to lots of visits when we can in and around London. We've also taken a lot of trips abroad as well, so you're really getting that kind of view of world art and the exciting possibilities that the art world can offer.